Hello friends and fans, this is Z from Sain Official. Welcome back to another video. So before starting the video, I would like to request you to like, subscribe and share our channel. As you know, this channel is for providing solutions to the people who are new to technology or are exploring the software and the technology world. So today I am providing you a solution for how to change the background of your Google homepage. Most of the people want to change the homepage. They are pretty tired with the default Google homepage. So let me tell you the solution. What you have to do is just go to the Google Chrome. After it is opened, you'll see the Google homepage. It is having a white background. So what you have to do is you have to go to the top right corner. There are three dots. Basically they are the settings button, and from here you have to go to settings. After you click the settings, it will take you to the main settings menu. Here on the leftmost tab you will see you and Google autofill, safety check, privacy and security, and here is the appearance section. Click the appearance, and after that you will see here the appearance settings. So on the top you will see the theme. Click open Chrome Web Store. It will take you to the Chrome Web Store, and you should be assured that your internet is connected, and from here you can select the theme you like. So most of the people are also worried here that they selected the theme but it is not working. So let me tell you one thing. When you select some theme, for example, I'm selecting this Ride the Wave. I'm just clicking it, and then there will be option add to Chrome. Let me confirm you one thing, that you must be logged in with the Gmail ID. If you are logged in with that, click add to Chrome. After you click add to Chrome, it will do some performance check, and after that you will see the download section that it will start downloading the theme. It depends upon the size of the theme how much time it takes. While we can see the make developer images overviews, the comments by the people. In the meanwhile, it takes some time to download it. Okay, after your download is finished, most of the time it is automatically applied, or you can go download section, you can find the theme you like, and after that it will be automatically applied. Now you can check the home page and the theme is totally changed. You can also undo if you don't like it, and you can download the theme you like. This was all from today's video. I hope you like our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel. Thank you.